second standard. My school name is Sparc Public School. My topic is music around us. Everywhere we go, here is sound. Music, as we know, is found all around.
Hi friends, I am Nitisha from 3rd standard. My class teacher name is Shobha ma'am. My school name is Sparc Public School. My topic is Project Sunshine. Jit and his friend Rakesh were talking about their EVS project. Jit asked Rakesh what he was making. Jit could not hide his excitement. I am making a model of my school. What about you? Rakesh made a face. If only I could figure, and it's that out her murdered. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Pratham Kuda. I am from 4th grade. My school name is Sparc Public School. I am telling about Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are one of the world's most prestigious international multi-sports events that include Summer Olympic and Winter Olympic. The modern Olympic Games that started on the 19th century were inspired by the ancient Olympic. Ancient Olympic Games are believed to have originated 3000 years ago in Greece.
Good morning everybody. My name is Mohammed Khan. I study in 4th standard. My school name is Sparc Public School. My class teacher name is Hemavati ma'am. Long ago, in a village in Scotland, a little boy named Rich Davy lived on a farm. Every day after the school and during the weekend, Stevie helped his father feed and took care of farm animals. When the work was done every day, Stevie came an hour which was all his own. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Prarsha. I am studying in 4th grade. My school name is Sparc Public School. My topic is the house with golden windows. Long ago, in a village in Scotland, a little boy named Stevie lived on a farm. Every day after the school and during the weekends, Stevie helped his father in the field and took care of farm animals. But at the end of each day, when the work was done, sun began to go down. There came an hour which was all his own. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Sunidhi from 4th grade. My school name is Sparc Public School. My class teacher name is Hemavati ma'am. I am telling about Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are one of the world's most prestigious international multi-sports events that include Summer Olympic and Winter Olympic. The modern Olympic Games that started in 19th century were inspired by ancient Olympic. Ancient Olympic Games are believed to have originated around 3000 years ago in Greece. 776 BC is widely accepted. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Namrata. I am from class 5. My school name is Sparc Public School. My class teacher name is Darshana ma'am. My topic about is Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. The school bell rings at 4:15. Lucy and Nitin were returning from home. Lucy saw that the man was going with his dog. Lucy remembered that about Ramana Maharshi. Lucy asked to Nitin, you know about Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi? Nitin asked, who is that? Lucy tell about Ramana Maharshi. Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi is a sage. He was living in an ashram, but he loved all animals and birds. When one day, he was feeding them. One day he was going to peacock and make their rice and give some mangoes, peanuts, rice. They come and eat with him. And one day when he was sitting on the hill, the snake was crawling his leg. He didn't move or show any fear. He was impatient. But he felt cool and soft when that Ramana Maharshi was not allowed to kill any snakes or any animals. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nirusha. I am studying in 3rd standard. My school name is Sparc Public School. My class teacher name is Shobha ma'am. My project name is Project Sunshine. Jeet and his friend Rakesh were talking about their EVS project. Jeet asked Rakesh what he was making. Rakesh could not hide his excitement. I am making a model of a school with my dad. What about you? Jeet made a face. I could figure that out, he muttered. He saw the window and thinking hard. He saw an aeroplane flying into horizon. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Diksha Godas. I am studying in class 5. My school name is Sparc Public School. My class teacher is Darshana ma'am. My topic is Maya Angelou. You may write me down in history with your bitter twisted lies. You may throw me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I will rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with glue? Cause I walk like I have got oil wells pumping in my living room. Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides. Just like hope springing high, still I rise. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I will rise. Out of the huts of history, shame, I rise. Up from a past that rooted in pain, I rise. I am a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear in the tide. Leaving behind the nights of terror and fear, I rise. Up from a past that wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, and the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise. Thank you.